more important than your own. Ganyan ako ma-in love. Gusto ko, lagi siyang masaya. Lagi siyang makinig. I want to make you feel special every day. Don't be afraid to fall in love. Don't think about the pain and the heartbreak, because that's part of being in love. Mas isipin mo kung saya na mararamdaman mo kapag nagmamahal ka. Am I in love? Let's just say it feels great to love and feel loved in return.
Thank you so much, G-Plus dancers. Thank you so much. You guys having fun? Alright. Once again, thank you for being here. Ngayon pa lang, I want to thank, of course, JD fans, readers, Care Bears. Thank you so much for all the love, really. Even when I started in 2010 to my big brother. You guys have been there to support me. And I can truly say, I feel like a big winner. Like Ron Jogi. special thank you to Direk Lauren Yogi for discovering me. Thank you so much. I just want to say a special hello to my inspiration. My father is here. Also my family. He's been supporting me since day one. He never gave up on me. Yes, that is me. And also to Boss Vic. You make everything possible. You gave me my second chance in show business. Very Nick also, thank you for your guidance and your patience. Kahit minsan matigas ang ulo ko, thank you so much. Okay. Sino dito ang kasama ang hobby nila tonight? Wala? Sige. Sino ang paborito niyong hobby? Well, at dahil dyan, please allow me to serenade you all with a couple of songs. These are my favorite OPM songs. So please sing along.